Do you ever struggle to know which tool you will need for a certain job? Well, I'm here at Ceratizit to find out about the new ToolSelect system. Now, Manuel, before we talk about the ToolSelect, could you give us a little introduction into yourself and what you do here at Ceratizit?
Sure. So my name is Manuel and I'm responsible at Ceratizit for the development of ToolSelect from a technical perspective and also the team lead of the development from the ToolSelect from an IT perspective.
So could you give us a little background on ToolSelect? What is it and what does it do for a customer?
Sure, so ToolSelect just helps you to find the right tools for your workpiece. So basically it's a workpiece related search engine that works either with a manual input of all the dimensions that you search a tool for, or just with a 3D model upload to easily find your tools in, as we say, maximum 90 seconds.
And how does it work on comparing tools? Because surely it'll give you the high-end option or the middle of the road option.
Sure, so ToolSelect just tries to rank the tools that suit the best in a technical way on the pretty first level in the tool. And then on the second levels, it's just more universal tools, more cheaper tools. So we offer just about 10 solutions and one will definitely suit the customer, I think.
And if I'm using ToolSelect and I find the tools I need, can I order them straight from the system?
Yeah, sure, that's all about. So you can search your tools, you can save it for later, you can save your workpiece, or you just put everything in the basket, and then in the basket also this workpiece relation will still stay there. So it will say you this tool was added to the basket for exactly this operation, for example.
So what are the key benefits for a customer to use ToolSelect over just trying to look through a catalogue?
Yeah, so the best advantage for the customer is mainly that he just searches once. So if you imagine you go to the catalog and you have a deep dive drilling, for example, then you need to search at least 3 different drills on different pages. Also in the online shop and ToolSelect, you just upload your workpiece, get all the drills that you need for your deep hole, and then you're finished basically. So it saves a lot of time, it's easy, and also shows you a big variety of solutions that you could use for your problem, your application.
Well, Manuel, thank you for your time and for giving me an in-depth run into ToolSelect. It's been great to hear all about it, and I can't wait to see how customers adopt to this new solution.